Welcome back to Project Management Insights. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of project management, risk management. We'll be exploring the 4 key steps involved and focusing on the vital first step, risk identification, particularly through brainstorming. Risk management is a key activity for any project management team. While there are various approaches, they all essentially cover the same fundamental points. We can break down the risk management process into 4 core steps. First, we have identification of the risks. This is where we uncover potential threats to our project. Second, we analyze their probability and impact, determining the likelihood of them occurring and the potential consequences. Third, we develop a response, deciding whether to mitigate the risks and, if so, how to implement that mitigation. And finally, fourth, we have closure, where we close out the risk and monitor the implemented actions to ensure that they are having the desired effect. Today we'll focus on the first step, risk identification, and one of the primary methods we use is brainstorming. We often conduct this as a dedicated risk workshop, or it can be integrated into a larger planning workshop. These workshops are typically led by a facilitator and follow a structured agenda. The agenda usually covers several risk areas, such as technical, operational, economic, environmental, social, and political. During the workshop, attendees collaboratively generate a list of potential risks under each heading. This ensures a comprehensive exploration of all possible threats. Before we move on, I want to emphasize a crucial point. Risks must be expressed in terms of the cause, the area of uncertainty, and the effect. This structure is vital for clarity and effective risk management. Let me give you an example. Torrential rain this afternoon is the cause. May result in the river level rising and bursting its banks is the uncertainty. And the housing estate will be flooded is the effect. This clear articulation allows us to understand the risk fully. With our risks identified, let's move on to consider the next step, the assessment of those risks, which we'll cover in our next episode. That's all for today's episode. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into the world of project management. Until next time, keep your projects governed and on track.